Oh, Mia, such pretty shoes. Show us your shoes. Can you dance? Do a dance? What do you do with your hands when you dance? Let's dance. If you're happy and you know it. She says, I want to see that picture. This is quite a look on you, Missy. Mia, can I see your pretty shoes? Show me your pretty shoes.
I'll see you.
Oh, can you do a dance? You want to do a dance? Oh, so pretty. Oh, you want to see? Can you show me a dance? Let's sing a song. Ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried. Mia, can I see your shoes? Where are your pretty shoes?
Show Mommy your shoes.
Show Mama your shoes. So pretty. Can you make your shoes dance? Can your shoes do a dance? Show me a dance. Do a dance. Can you do a dance? Can you twirl? Can you twirl? Can you twirl around, pretty girl? Who's pretty girl? Who's the pretty girl? Who's the pretty girl, Mia? Oh, your shoes are making noises. Are your shoes making noises? What do you see? Is Daddy taking pictures of your shoes? What's he doing? What's he doing? Is it? Are those your shoes? What color are your shoes, Mia? What color are they? Are they red shoes? Pretty red shoes, huh? Are you tickling your feet? What do you say when you tickle someone? Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you blow me a beso, Mia? Mia, blow Mama a beso. Oh, I'm dizzy. Mia, can you blow Mommy a beso? Mia.
Daddy's there.
Yeah, Daddy's there. All right, bye-bye.